Hello friends, so this is my second video in the series related to test automation frameworks. So my first video was all about Selenium WebDriver and Java. So if you haven't seen that video, just please visit my channel because it gives more details on WebDriver. And so the extra component that we are adding here is Cucumber. So what is a Cucumber? So Cucumber is a software tool that supports behavior driven development, and actually it makes use of a language parser called Gherkin. So with this Gherkin only, actually it's like writing pure English language. So it will make the users to understand what actually the test case is. So actually the Eclipse, since we are using Java, the most preferred IDE is Eclipse only. So before starting everything, we have to make sure that all the Selenium WebDriver components are first added to the Eclipse. That means external jars, then Selenium standalone server and all those things. Then after that you have to make sure the Cucumber Eclipse plugin is also added from marketplace. So this is to help understand the basic Gherkin syntax. So it will be like a highlighted to the Eclipse IDE. And moving on to the second slide. After that we have to make sure that we get all the Cucumber functionality so that we can run the Cucumber test case without any issues. So here are the 9 different jar files that we commonly use. You have to get all these files and we have to add those as the external jar files to the Eclipse. So coming to the Cucumber has got 3 parts. The one is the first feature file, which is a clear description for each step, and we are using Gherkin syntax there. Then the second is a step file, which contains a step definition or the actual method that will be connected to the feature file. And the third one is the test run, which will be the configuration setup for running your test. So this is the feature file. As I have mentioned, we have the feature called Cucumber Java. Then we have the scenario, login functionality exists. So what is that scenario? That they have mentioned, like there is a given, I have opened Amazon website and click on your Amazon link. When user enters something, then press sign in button, then some error message is displayed. So the last then is used for validation. So this is the feature file. So you will be wondering how if I write something like this will trigger a test case, and what will be the execution happening when I run the test case. So for that we have the step file, which contains a step definition. So you can see the class is a Cucumber Java, and then you have given I have an open website. So that is same the feature file that I have given I have open Amazon website. So when I call given I have open Amazon website, it will call this method inside that. So it's as simple as that. So whatever features that you have in the feature file, for each step there will be a step definition and it will be connected. So it's like click on your Amazon link. So I am doing something like so all the methods are written using Selenium WebDriver. So this is where the Selenium WebDriver comes into picture when we are using Cucumber. So like that, for all the steps in the feature file you will have a step definition. And the third is this test run. So it's like it's just used to run the feature file. So here we are using the JUnit, and which class they want to run, cucumber.class. And then we have the format, this is for the reporting part. And then we have the feature file, which feature file we have to run. So if you have this only this many steps you want, you should not add any more steps, because this is the format of the test run that needs to be made in the Eclipse to run the test cases. So if you want to run it with testng, then you have to do some modification. This is for the JUnit. And then moving on to the last slide with some advantages and disadvantages. So actually if you look at that feature file, it is very easy to understand what the functionality is going to do. And if you just visit the test definition, then you will understand the method and all those things. So it is very clean and it's a readable description of test steps. And it's also a comfortable tool for development teams who build Java application, and it makes them more productive. And some of the disadvantages is like, since there are so many features coming in the feature file, it becomes very large and messy. And if you are going to run the test in different browser, then the test can take so much time. Then it's not that much easy to do the setup, because actually we have so many uh, feature file, test step file, then test run and all those things. So initially when we do it, it will take some time, but once we run one test case, then it will be much easy. And so that's pretty much all about the Selenium, Cucumber and Java. Actually, if you like the video, then please click on the thumbs up icon and just subscribe my channel. And I will be putting more videos related to the automation framework. Thank you for the watching the video. Have a good day.